What's up guys, Saf Ashraf here. Today we are going to be looking at the iPhone SE 2nd generation, also known as the iPhone SE that came out in 2020. It's been just about a year since this phone has come out, so I wanted to see how it's held up. Let's get straight into the review. So the iPhone SE basically features a recycled design from the iPhone 8. So the people that do have an iPhone 8 will be very familiar with this device. We have the same home button, same haptic feedback, same top and bottom bezels, and overall same design basically. You have a nice small lightweight phone in your hand, which I must say feels quite refreshing, especially coming from a 6.4 inch Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. So if you are coming from a big phone, this phone will hit you as how small it is. However, where smartphones are going, the design is pretty outdated. The iPhone 8 is pretty old as well, and the top and bottom bezels just don't make it for me anymore. The display is alright, however it's not the sharpest display out there. It is a 720p panel, however colors are definitely solid, however the resolution is just not there, to be honest. It is a 60Hz panel, by the way, if you guys were wondering. With the small design, you also get a small battery. So the battery, in my testing with light usage and power mode turned on, you will last just about a day. However, if you do have low power mode switched off and you are a bit of a heavy user, then you may want to worry about battery. In terms of what chip this phone has, we do have the Apple A13 Bionic, which featured in the iPhone 11 and the iPhone 11 Pro series, which does not disappoint in this phone either. As well as it did in the iPhone 11 series, it does great in the iPhone SE. You have a lot of power, especially for a compact design. It does offer a lot of efficiency, which means that you will be able to open apps even with 3GB of RAM. And apps will run smoothly. It is iOS and apps are always optimized for the iPhone SE. A nice point on this iPhone though is the camera system. With one single camera sensor, I'm not disappointed because the pictures and videos that come out of the one sensor are really good. HDR could get a little bit of improvement, however the overall clarity and the overall image that comes out of Apple phones is great and is available on the iPhone SE. Shots look stunning, especially of like wildlife, as you can see as the pictures I'm showing you. They look really nice. However, in low light, the camera does slightly start to throttle because Apple did not add night mode to the iPhone SE. So if you are in dark conditions, then this phone won't be the greatest to take pictures with. However, if you do give it enough light, the photos that you will be getting, it's really close to the iPhone 12 series. If you guys are wondering, it's a 12 megapixel f1.8 aperture lens. You can record either 4K 24/30 or 60 FPS footage, which is a big thumbs up. So the overall iPhone SE will be perfect for the people that aren't very heavy users, often take their phone out like a couple of times a day, maybe like take a couple of pictures if you are on a family occasion, or you just need to check the latest news. This phone is amazing. Battery life will last you if you are a light user, power is more than enough, and the camera is great. However, if you are a heavy user, I suggest if you do want to stay with Apple, look at the new iPhone 12. Or even the iPhone 11 used, because that is still a great phone. And if you haven't checked out my review on that phone, it will be linked right up there. Thank you guys for watching this review. I hope you guys did enjoy. Make sure to like and subscribe. And yeah, that's a Saf Ashraf review for you. Thank you guys for watching. Peace.